don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Umzilikazi.
Stibo, into eyenzekile namhlanje isimboli mawazi ibhola unga expect ukuwina njalo igame yethu buka labo lamthuthu babangumsindo igame yethu namhlanje besingekho right so kumele sikuvume lokho ukuthi besingekho right into engidisappointile Stibo ureferee hayi mfethu ube player number 12 for Sundowns because isa enye into ngicela ungilalele because mawungalazi ibhola uzukuyazi lento enye into futhi ama players eSundowns adlala irough and okugcina ngiyababongela ukuthi babuwinile ekugcineni because sidlala ibhola kumele sibe nefair badlala irough ureferee I think ureferee une brown envelope ayithumile no linesman wakhe so le anti slimazile babulala ibhola eSouth Africa abafana basamahlanyeni ngishilo they're gonna kiss this cup and say goodbye thatha iyahamba yakupirate congratulations Sundowns udlalile uwinile but ekugcineni kosuku abantu abasimoshela ibhola to be honest ref
Thank you, Redman.
I'm complaining ngewini Sundowns
Sure, Steve. Thank you, Redman.